Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and I'm here with another update for you guys where I'm letting you know that since we're all locked down for an even longer amount of time, I am now making the FroKnowsPhoto guide to flash photography free, or you could pay whatever you would like. So head on over to bit.ly/thanksfro3, and you can download that for free or pay whatever you would like, whether it's $5, $10, $20, $25, $27.33, or $100, whatever you would like to do, you can do so right there. Now, 2 weeks ago, I gave away the FroKnowsPhoto guide to getting out of auto for free or to pay whatever you would like to students, teachers, and honestly anybody else who was locked down at this time. And if you missed that, you can go to bit.ly/thanksfro2, and you can download that for free, or you could pay whatever you would like, $29.33. If that's what you would like to pay, then feel free to go ahead and do that. But at this point, I've given away over $1 million worth of beginner guides. It was over 20,000 of them, and they sell for $67 normally. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because we're all stuck at home. There's students, there's kids, there's parents, there's just regular people. I mean, I'm just a regular Topeka, Kansas guy. We need something to do. So if I can give you something to learn and to better yourself, then I'm more than happy to go ahead and do that. And one final thing, don't forget, I am still giving away a camera valued up to $3,499 or lenses valued up to the same amount. You can go over to bit.ly/megafro2020 to get signed up for free for your chance to win that prize. Now, there's roughly 29 days left. It's going to be at the end of April is when that contest is over. Now, keep in mind, if you do purchase FroPack 1, 2, the bundle, or you already own them, you will score extra entries, but you do not need to make a purchase in order to win the grand prize. So guys, the links are down below to all of the stuff. You can download the guides for free, or you could pay whatever you would like. That's my gift to the world right now, is the gift of photography and the gift of learning and education. And for parents, hopefully it's the gift of some free time while the kids are studying and learning photography, hopefully. Oh yeah. Don't forget, down below is a link to the 7 different photo assignments that I put together for anybody to do at home, things that you can do inside of the house. So if you want to do that, you can do that, and you can submit those images for a critique. So stay safe, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.